If you've ever wished you could play your favorite PlayStation games while stuck in traffic, the new AFEELA is about to make that a reality. I visited Sony's PlayStation headquarters to get an inside look at this game-changing electric car, and I'm going to show you why it's more than just a mode of transportation. Picture a car that's as smart as your phone and as fun as your gaming console. That's what happens when Sony and Honda join forces. The AFEELA is like your living room, office, and arcade all rolled into one sleek package. Now, while I like to think of it as a rolling PlayStation on wheels, it's not just about games. This car is packed with tech that'll make your daily commute feel like a trip to the future. From augmented reality on your windshield to a personal AI assistant, AFEELA is set to redefine what we expect from our cars. Let's start by popping the hood on AFEELA's tech features. You might think you've seen it all when it comes to car tech, but this EV is about to blow your mind. First, let's talk about that sleek exterior. No door handles, no problem. AFEELA uses facial recognition to know it's you approaching. The doors open automatically like you're some kind of VIP at a futuristic nightclub. There's also this media bar on the front of the car, which at first glance reminded me of Kit from Knight Rider. It can flash messages, show your charging status, or even display custom stickers. Think of it as a way to further add your own flair or personality to the exterior of your car. AFEELA also has some serious brains under that smooth exterior. We're talking level 3 autonomous driving capabilities that will allow the car to take over for you in certain conditions, while level 2 plus assistance will help navigate those tricky urban environments during city driving. The AI-driven vision transformer technology is a big factor here. It's not just about recognizing objects, it's understanding complex situations in real time. So picture your car being able to predict that a ball rolling into the street may likely be followed by a child. That's the kind of next level awareness we're talking about. And it does all that thanks to an array of image sensors, radar, and LiDAR, which create a 360-degree view of all of its surroundings. And if you thought your smartphone was powerful, get this. AFEELA's chip can process 800 TOPS, or 800 trillion operations per second. That is some serious power, ensuring everything from the infotainment system to the autonomous driving features runs smoother than a freshly paved highway. And to put that into perspective, the new second generation Rivians can process 250 trillion operations per second, so AFEELA is more than tripling that. From its capsule-like shape to its body-colored wheel arches, every inch of AFEELA seems like it's been designed with the future in mind. Even the mirrors are getting a high-tech makeover with plans for digital side mirrors to improve visibility and safety. Next, we've got to talk about that PlayStation integration. You're probably wondering how that works. Well, AFEELA isn't just slapping a PS5 into the dashboard. Instead, it's using PlayStation's remote play feature. This means the games are actually running on a PS5 in the cloud, and the gameplay is streamed to your car over the internet. There's a wide wraparound screen up front, which is perfect for passenger gaming. When the car is in motion, the driver won't even be able to see the passenger screen to keep everything safe. And if you're in the back seat, you've got dedicated screens for an even better gaming experience. The car's built-in 5G connectivity means you should have a smooth gaming session even on the go. And all those tech features I mentioned a minute ago also apply here when gaming. You're getting an immersive experience. The car's sophisticated noise cancellation system blocks out road noises, making you feel like you're in your own private gaming room, while the 3D audio in the seats gives you surround sound. And since AFEELA is using PS5's remote play, you'll have access to your entire PS5 library. So whether you're into racing games, RPGs, first-person shooters, your favorite titles are literally just a button press away when in AFEELA. And of course, it's not just about gaming. AFEELA's entertainment system is also designed to elevate music and movies as well. They really want the car to be kind of like a hub for all your entertainment needs, gaming, music, movies, all with great sound and on great looking displays. Okay, now that we've seen how AFEELA transforms your car into that mobile gaming paradise, let's step inside and explore the luxurious interior where all of this magic goes down. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by what can only be described as a spaceship-like cockpit. The first thing that catches your eye is the massive panoramic screen that stretches across the dashboard. The screen is designed to keep your eyes moving horizontally instead of up and down, which is supposed to be more relaxing during long drives. Now, let's talk about this sound system. Remember how I said AFEELA isn't just slapping a PS5 into the dashboard? Well, they're also not just slapping some regular speakers in there either. The car features Sony's 360 reality audio with speakers embedded right into the seat, so you can literally feel the sound. And when it comes to comfort, the seats are perforated, hinting at both heating and cooling capabilities. And if you're riding in the back, you'll appreciate the flat floor that gives you more leg room to stretch out. The collaboration between Sony and Honda really shines in the interior design. Honda brings its expertise in ergonomic design and automotive manufacturing, while Sony contributes its prowess in consumer electronics and user interfaces. The result is a cabin that feels obviously familiar, but also futuristic and cutting edge at the same time. As I mentioned, the rear seats have their own entertainment system that can either sync with the front screen or offer individual experiences. Oh, and each passenger also gets their own Bluetooth option. So everyone can watch the same content together in sync or use Bluetooth headphones and watch or play individually. So I think the point here is AFEELA isn't just another electric car. This is a glimpse into the future where our cars are more than just transportation. It's your smart device on wheels, constantly adapting to your needs. With its advanced AI and machine learning capabilities, AFEELA could potentially become smarter over time, improving its autonomous driving skills and personalizing your experience even more. Looking ahead, AFEELA is set to hit US roads by 2026. I'm looking forward to actually experiencing the car on the road, but I also wonder what other car makers are going to come up with between now and then. With the rise of AI, I think we're going to see a lot of competition heating up in this space. Speaking of EVs, be sure to check out my video on the new Rivian second generation R1S and R1T. I took them off-roading. I even put them to the drag strip to put them to the extreme test. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.